Hello, my name is Dolores Gowdy and I am the founder of CERTA. CERTA is the STEM Instructional Interdisciplinary Research Development Association. This development association is a strategic development association that empowers the individual and provides greater economic opportunity through access to resources such as our Applications of Teaching library. Today, our video will explore creating and developing a Wix website. Students will be able to create a Wix website in order to design an instructional resource. Students will be able to understand how to add Wix pages in order to sort information. And students will also be able to apply Wix apps in order to implement informational efficiency. Once we have accessed Wix, we can press the Start Now button. You can sign in using your Facebook, Google, or other email account as a new user. As a new user, it will ask me to repeat the information and click Sign Up. Now that I am a new user for a new account for Wix, I will pick the type of account that I would like to have. I will choose to select Business and Services. It gives me more options. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will pick the Scientist site because it includes an individual person who is providing community and education materials. So you can view this site. After reviewing this website for content, I can identify elements such as the home page, the About Me page, the Publications page, Contact Me page, and Research blog page that is consistent with the materials that I would like to post on my website. Therefore, I will click on Edit this site. Wix loads this site template. Congratulations! You have now completed objective number 1, which is to be able to create a Wix website in order to design an instructional resource. Now that we have completed objective number 1, we will move to objective number 2, which is to be able to understand how to add pages in order to sort information. To add pages, we will simply click on the top left icon entitled Pages, which will give us instructions on navigation. Drag pages up or down to reorder, or drag right to create sub-pages. It also lists the pages that we currently have in our website. To add a page, we simply click on Add and Page, and we'll be brought to a menu which will provide different types of pages that we can add. By clicking on those links, we can see a view of the template. For the purpose of this lesson, we will click on blank and entitle the page Resources, because we would like to add resources for our clients. We will not add as a sub page and click OK. Now we can see that Resources is in our Pages menu, and we do have a Page Settings menu, which we could change our page settings if we like. We will not do this at this time. We will simply close our Pages menu because now we have completed objective number 2, which is to be able to understand how to add pages in order to sort information. Finally, our last objective is to be able to apply apps in order to implement informational efficiency. We simply come to the App Market icon and click. The first resource that we will provide to our users on the resources page is an events calendar. We simply click Add to Site on the events calendar. We will verify that we would like to add this to our site on the pop-up. And now our events calendar pops up. As our events calendar pops up, we will see that we have the crossbars that we can use to relocate our calendar. We also can right click and click App Settings to change our colors and our features. Click App Settings for our events calendar and click Google Calendar. Import from Google Calendar. Connect to Google. Select an account that we would like to connect to Google with. Give Infuse access to our calendar offline. Select which calendar we would like to have Google access. We'll do student activities at USM and save settings. This will import our Google Calendar to our web page as a resource for our customers. We can close the settings box. We will simply search for map in our search bar so that we will get the most efficient map, the top rated simple Google Maps. Add that to site. Verify on the pop-up menu that we would like to add that to our site. Relocate our map on our page using the purple guiders to make sure it's lined up, and in this case we'll need to resize our map. Now that we have completed objective number 3, which is to be able to apply apps in order to implement informational efficiency, we can then preview our site. If we are satisfied with our site, we can select back to editor. Now we can save our work and name our site, which can be changed at any time. I will not publish this site because we have a lot of changes to make, but we have created a Wix website in order to design instructional resources. We have understood how to add pages in order to sort information, and we have learned to apply apps in order to implement informational efficiency. Thank you and have a great day.